Let's bring it alive. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Ricky Baker, it's your birthday. Ricky Baker, it's your birthday. Ricky Baker, 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 Ricky Baker. Oh, I was gonna tell you what I usually do. Maybe this is just for myself here. What I like to do is I like to kind of default it out. That includes hitting this square button for the volume thing. I like to go to, I start over here in this mix and just go to 1. So I go 1 pure sine wave here, and then is at this range of 16. See it? And then I like to hear the 5th. And so I come over here and I add in the second oscillator. And I get to adjust its tune. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make it that 5th. Sorry, that's the fine tune. This is the big one. There we go. Actually, I have it in a triangle. I kind of like that. And then I pitch it up an octave because that's the way it is in normal sound, like harmonic series and such. So now I've got the very organic. Very organic sound. Oh, I definitely should talk about this cut off. So I didn't have it completely flat. This being completely open, resonance being down, and not having that Lfo mod in there. That gives you the standard. So I guess it's not totally a pure sine wave. They must like build harmonics above it. I don't get what's going on with that. But generally, it's good to bring that cut off so you just have the lows and then you bring in the highs. Pardon my guitar fingers. And what's cool about this cutoff frequency is you can adjust the resonance. So especially it's easier to hear in higher frequencies. I'm not going to go in higher in pitch, but higher in frequencies by adding the frequencies back. And then hear the resonance. Yeah, that's where you'll hear it. The resonance, 0 to 10 is the gain of the resonance. So you turn up the resonance, and then here you're going to hear the... And that's a cool effect. And it's such a cool effect, you can use the Lfo Mod to make that happen. And see the Lfo? That is controlled over here in this Lfo section. I have it in a sine wave. It could be this jagged sound tooth wave. It jumps. And I got the rate that I can change it, 0 to 10. This will make it go faster. Actually, that almost makes the pitch in itself. I'm gonna intensify it with that. Sometimes these low frequencies can be intense, so you can high pass filter it. I guess a high pass filters all of it, so you can't just high pass filter like the one low frequency. We can, I don't know what just dropped, lower it both by an octave. When you're messing with these, sometimes that changes the volume. Like you can lose volume or gain too much, so it's good to ride the controls at the level when that happens. So I'll boost it up a little bit. Really, I just need the frequencies, I think. You might notice that the sound doesn't happen until a little bit. So that's that delay. This oscillator doesn't happen immediately when you hit the note. It's got time delay. Here's more instant. I think that helps make it sound interesting and evolving. Okay, that's it.